Magandang oras po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Renjo Cyrus at akin pong babasahin ang banal na kasulatan sa aklat ng Genesis chapter 1 verses 26 hanggang 28. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the heavens, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him. Male and female, he created them. And God blessed them. And God said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea and over the birds of the heavens and over every living thing that moves on the earth." Salamat po at pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon.